This is the National Weather Service in La Crosse with a weather briefing concerning the severe thunderstorm potential later this afternoon and tonight. The main timing today and tonight would be roughly 4 p.m. to midnight. The hazards this afternoon and evening: damaging winds, large hail, a brief tornado is also possible, along with another round of heavy rainfall. The location this time is much like yesterday, mainly along and south of Interstate 90. The concern today, though, some uncertainty with the potential for severe weather today, and it hinges on this frontal boundary across southern Iowa. This was as of 1 a.m., and since 1 a.m. the front is actually pushed into far northern Missouri. This is the outflow boundary from the showers and thunderstorms that moved across our area during the evening hours of yesterday. The big question is, how far north will this boundary return today as warmer air tries to return northward ahead of this main low pressure area out here in Nebraska and Kansas. The Storm Prediction Center's slight risk area is depicted here, which covers all of southern Minnesota, most of Wisconsin, and the northern portions of Iowa, as well as northern Illinois. So our area here is kind of right in the middle of this. The rainfall forecast is a little bit less than it was yesterday, but still the central and southern parts of the area have the potential to get 1 to 2 inches of rain here, depending again on where the storms form along or north of that returning frontal boundary. We still have heavy rain concerns here for the rest of the week as well. Here are the rainfall totals, or expected rainfall totals, for today through Friday and Saturday. Again, with some rain, 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches of rain here within the past 24 hours. The additional rains here have the potential to create flooding and flash flooding if they in fact occur. Weather graphic again here for today and tonight. This depicts the warm front. Again, we're not sure how far north this frontal boundary, the one that's in southern Iowa and far northern Missouri early this morning, how far north this boundary will actually get. The main shower and thunderstorm threat will be along and just north of this frontal boundary as a very warm and moist and unstable air mass is pushed northward over it later today and this evening. Again, the highlights here: south of I-90, 4 o'clock to midnight, the threats: large hail, damaging wind. The brief tornado threat would mainly be concerned if the frontal boundary actually moves into our area, mainly northeastern Iowa and far southwest Wisconsin. Any tornadoes would be more possible near that frontal boundary. Again, confidence, because the evolution of the position of the frontal boundary is a little bit uncertain at this time, the confidence for this, especially across the southern end of the area, northeast Iowa, southwest Wisconsin, is medium. Further north, north of I-90, again 4 o'clock to midnight would be the main time. Large hail, damaging winds, heavy rain, and with the front so far south early this morning and considerable uncertainty as if it would make it far enough north to impact areas north of I-90 with severe weather, the confidence is low to perhaps medium at most. Again, for further information, you can follow us on Facebook and on Twitter, or hit us up on our weather or office or our internet homepage with the information here on this slide.